Fewer is for things you can count, and less is for things you cannot count. Number 1. I have blank apples now. Apples. Can we count apples? Yes, we can. So which word is better for things we can count? That's right, fewer. We use fewer because apples are individual items you can count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, and so on. So the whole sentence is I have fewer apples now. And it simply means I don't have as many apples as I did before. Great job, I have fewer apples now. Number 2, she has blank patience. Now think about patience. Can you count patience? Can you say 1 patience? 2 patiences? That sounds a bit silly, doesn't it? Patience is an idea, a feeling, something we measure in amount, not in number. So we need less. Remember, less is for uncountable things. She has less patience means her level of patience has gone down. It's a lower amount. You are crushing it. She has less patience. And for our final question, there is blank traffic here. Now, traffic. Can you count traffic? Not really. You can count cars, but traffic as a whole is a mess. A flow of cars. It's an uncountable concept. It's impossible to count how many cars are there in the general sense of traffic when you are talking about the overall volume. Therefore, the word we need is less. We are talking about a smaller amount of traffic. There is less traffic here simply means the roads aren't as busy as they usually are. Well done, there is less traffic here. So to recap, use fewer for things you can count, like apples, and less for things you cannot count, like patience or traffic. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. I hope you now have fewer doubts about this topic and definitely less confusion. I'll see you next time. Bye.